Good morning, dear students. Are you fine now? Good. Today is our maths class. Are you ready? Yes. Very good. Our last chapter is fraction. Do you study well? Good. In last class we studied about fraction. Okay. Next, listen. This class, today we studied the second chapter named money, about money. About money. Listen. All of you listen here. In daily life, we use money to buy things or to get some work done. Okay. We need money to buy things or to get some works. To get some works done. Okay. In India, money is counted in rupees and paise. Rupees and paise. These are in the form of metal coin and notes. Notes made of special quality paper. Listen. Special quality paper. All of you listen. Indian coin. Indian coin. Indian coins. Listen. These are some coins. Some coins. 1 rupee, 2 rupees, 5 rupees and 10 rupees. These are Indian coins. 1 rupee, 2 rupees, yes, 5 rupees and okay, and 10 rupees coins. Okay. Next, Indian notes. Indian notes. All of you listen. Notes. These are notes. These are notes. All of you listen here. 5 rupees, 10 rupees, 20 rupees, 50 rupees, 200 rupees, 100 rupees, 500 rupees and 2000 rupees. These are Indian notes. All of you familiar with Indian coins and notes. Okay. Listen here. All of you listen. In your textbook, the amount in figures is Rs 150 rupees and 70 paise. The dot separates the rupees from the paise. Yes, the amount in words is 115 rupees 70 paise. 115 rupees and 70 paise. All of you look at the examples in your textbook. In your textbook, page number 58. Page number 58. There are some examples for rupees in words and figures. Listen. Rupees 10. In words, 10 rupees. 10 rupees. These are you studied already in second standard. Okay. Yes, good. Rs 3. In words, 3 rupees. Okay, like that. All of you write it in your notebook. This table you write it in your notebook. We write rupees as rupees. We write rupees as this and paise as this. P. As P. Okay. All of you write it in your notebook. While writing money in figures, we put a dot. We put a dot between rupees and paise. Note that paise is always written as 2 digits number. Listen. 2 rupees 5 paise and rupees 50 paise. Listen. Rupees 2 and 50 paise. Okay. Do you understand? Yes. Very good. Some examples in your textbook. All of you read it and write it in your notebook. 3 rupees 16 paise. In figures RS3. RS3 is 16 paise. Okay. All of you write it in your, the 2 examples you write it in your textbook and write it in your notebook. Okay. Yes. Next, exercise number 1. A and B. All of you write it in your notebook. Write the following in words and write the following in figures. All of you write it in your textbook and rewrite in your notebook. Okay. Next, listen an important part in this chapter. All of you listen here. Listen here. Conversion of rupees to paise. Conversion of rupees to paise. Conversion of rupees to paise. All of you listen carefully. To convert rupees into paise, multiply the number of rupees by 100. Listen. To convert rupees into paise, multiply the number of rupees. Multiply the number of rupees by 100. Okay. 1 rupee is, all of you listen, 1 rupee is equal to 100 paise. 100 paise. All of you listen carefully and write it in your notebook. You can also simply write 2 zeros to the digit to the right of rupees. Okay. This rupees 3 equal 3 into 100. 3 into 100 converts to into paise. 3 into 100 is equal to 300 paise. 300 paise. Okay. In last classes, in second term classes, you already studied the multiplications rules. Okay. Next, or the properties of multiplication. All of you studied the properties of multiplication. Do you remember it? Yes. In that way, you multiply the numbers into hundreds. Okay. Next, multiply the rupees by 100 and add the paise to it. Listen. To convert rupees and paise into paise, you can do either of this. Listen, multiply the rupees by 100 and add the paise to it. Or remove the dot. Remove the dot between rupees and paise. Remove the dot between rupees and paise. For example, convert rupees 8.25 into paise. Is equal rupees is equal to rupees 8 plus 25 paise. Rs 8 plus 25 paise. Okay, 25 paise. Listen, is equal to 8 into 25. 8 into 100 plus 8 into 100 paise plus 25 paise. 25 paise is equal to 800 paise plus 25 paise. Plus, all of you listen carefully, 800 paise plus 25 paise. Okay, listen, equal 825 paise. 825 paise. Okay, all of you write it in your notebook. All of you write it in your notebook. Next example. All of you write it in your notebook. Next, conversion of paise to rupee. Conversion of paise to rupee. Listen, conversion of paise to rupee. Listen. Conversion of paise to rupees. Listen, to convert paise to rupees, divide the number of by paise by 100. Okay, divide the number of paise by 100. The quotient will give the rupees. Okay, the quotient will get the rupees. The remainder will give the paise. All of you listen, the remainder will give the paise. All of you listen. Example, convert 1200 paise into rupees. Listen, into rupees. Okay, solution, 1200 paise equal 1200 divided by 100. Okay, is equal to 12. Okay, is equal to 12. Listen, in last class you studied about the properties of division. Do you understand? Okay. Do you remember? Very good. Next, conversion of, second, all of you write it in your notebook. Write it in your notebook. Next, convert 1250 paise into rupees. Listen, convert 1250 paise into rupees. All of you listen carefully. 1250 paise is equal to 1250 divided by 100. Listen, quotient is 12 and remainder is 12 and remainder is 50 and remainder is 50. Thus 1250 paise is equal to Rs rupees 1250. Okay, all of you write it in your notebook. Okay, do you finish? Yes. Next, all of you listen. All of you open the page number 60. Page number 60. There are some exercises. Exercise number 2. Exercise number 2. Convert into paise. All of you write it in your textbook. Convert into paise. And next B. Convert into rupees. Convert into rupees. All of you write it in your textbook and rewrite in your notebook. And rewrite in your notebook. All of you listen. Next, addition and subtraction of money. Addition and subtraction of money. This is an important part in this chapter. All of you listen carefully. In daily life, we need to add or subtract money. Listen, addition and subtraction of money. Addition and subtraction of money. Addition and subtraction of money. Listen. 8 first adds rupees 375 and rupees 45. Okay, listen. Write the amount in the rupees and the paise column. All of you listen carefully. You write the rupees in rupees column and paise in paises column. All of you listen carefully and write it. Listen here. Rupees 3. All of you listen carefully. You write the rupees in rupees column and paise in paises column. Yes, 75 Rs rupees 845. 845. Listen, 5 plus 5. 5 plus 5 equal 10. 5 plus 5 equal 10. Listen, 5 plus 5 equal 10. 0 right here and carry 1, and 4 plus 7 equal, yes, 4 plus 7 equal 11, plus 1 12. Carry number 1 in rupees column. All of you listen carefully. 8 plus 3 equal, yes, 8 plus 3 equal 11, plus 1 equal 12. Okay, rupees 12 20. Okay, all of you write it in your notebook. Write it in your notebook. Next, subtraction. Listen, subtraction. Subtract. All of you listen. Subtract rupees 75 from piece 20 25. Okay, write the amount in the, yes, rupees and paises column. Place the dot between the columns. Do you you already studied this, the properties of subtraction. Listen, rupees listen, 5 minus 5 0, 12 there, 12 might bring 1 from there, 1 from 20. Listen, this 19, this, listen, okay, 9 and 1, okay. Okay, 12 minus 7, 12 minus 7 equal 5, 5. Next, 9 minus 2 equal 7, 1 minus 1 equal 0. Okay, rupees 750. Okay, all of you write it in your notebook. Next, in your textbook, page number 61, there are some exercises. Exercise number 3. Exercise number 3, add the following. Add the following. There are some problems. All of you write it in your notebook. Write it in your, yes, write it in your notebook. Add the following and subtract the following. Add the following and subtract the following. Yes, all of you take your textbook. All of you take your textbook. Okay, there are some word problems. Word problems. some word problems. There are some word problems. Listen in your textbook. Example 1. Anil bought a book for rupees. Yes, rupees 35 and 50 paise and a pencil box for rupees 12.25 paise. How much money did he spend in all? The question, how much money did he spend in all? Solutions in a word problems. You will write the solutions. Okay, it is an important fact. Listen. Amount spent on the book. Amount spent on the book. On the book is equal rupees 35 and 50 paise. Okay, next amount spent listen, amount spent on the listen here, spent on the amount spent on the, yes, pencil box. Pencil box, yes. How many amounts? Yes, rupees 37 and 75 paise. Okay, amount, yes, total amount is spent. Total amount Anil spent. Okay, all of you write it in your notebook. Listen. All of you listen. Total amounts spent. All of you listen carefully. Rupees 50 plus rupees, all of you listen, rupees 12.25. Listen, add these two rupees. Listen, 5, 7 and 4 rupees 75 and 75 paise. Okay, all of you listen. Next, Amit had rupees 48 with him. He bought a book for Rs 37 rupees, rupees 37 and 75 paise. How much money is left with him? The question is, how much money is left with him? All of you listen in your textbook. In this problem, we subtract the two numbers, the two amounts. Subtract the two amounts. All of you write it in your notebook. Rewrite it in your notebook. There are some more exercises. There are some more exercises. Exercise number 4 in page number 63. Page number 63. Solve these word problems in your notebook. All of you read the questions carefully and write it in your notebook and solve these problems in your notebook. Okay. Next, multiplication of money. Multiplication of money. Multiplication of money. All of you listen. Multiply rupees paise into by multiply by 3. All of you listen carefully. In last classes we studied the rules of multiplication. Do you remember? Yes. Good. Listen. 16 say into, listen, into 3. All of you listen carefully. 3 into 0, 0. 3 into 5, 3 into 5, 15. Next, 3 into, all of you remember the point. Okay. 3 into 6 equal 18. 18 plus 1. 18 plus 1. 19. Next 3 into 1 equal 3. Okay. 3 plus 1 equal 4. 3 plus 1 equal 4. Okay. All of you write it in your notebook. Write it in your notebook. Listen. There are some word problems related to multiplication of money. Multiplication of money. All of you take your textbook. Page number 64. Page number 64. All of you listen carefully. A pencil costs Rs or rupees 175 paise. Find the cost of 6 pencil. In this problem, we multiply these two numbers or these two. Yes, cost of 6 pencils is equal to, yes, 1 rupees 1 and 75 paise into 6. All of you multiply it, or you already studied the multiplications and the rules of multiplication. All of you, yes, the answer is rupees 10, 50, okay, paise, okay. In this way, all of you write this all for me, these 3 examples. Example, listen very well and write it in your notebook. Write it in your notebook. Listen And there are some exercises. There are some exercises. Exercise number 5. Fill in the blanks. All of you fill in these blanks in your textbook and rewrite in your notebook. Rewrite in your notebook. And B, multiply the following. There are 4 problems. You solve these in your notebook. Next, C, solve these word problems in your notebook. All of you read the questions very carefully and write it in your notebook and solve these problems. Okay, first one, a pen cost rupees 550. Find the cost of 8 pencil. In this problem, yes, in this problem you multiply these numbers, these 2 numbers. Okay, this chapter is over. This chapter is over. You should write your homeworks very carefully and neatly. Okay, this is the time for bind up. Thank you everyone for watching my online class. See you again.